Hello. I saw the question say how RPM works, please. So RPM is rapid profit machine, and I think it's a interesting question um, because without entering into details, what is RPM? What is rapid profit machine? Why should we use it? In fact, and for me, it is a lead magnet because it is if you look at it, you can see the link in the description. You will see it's a video of it's a things like a money opportunity. It's a way to make money online, and you have many things, many video tutorials training on how to bring traffic, so that people can see RPM and will buy it and will work with it to make money, blah blah blah. So this is to get people who are already interested in earning money online, and they will want these things. But this thing, for you or for me, it is a lead magnet because to earn money online, you need traffic. In fact, you need to be able to have people, to reach people, and to present them with products. Products are solutions for their problem, and their problem is people who want to earn money online. And as we know, to earn money, you need to invest money, and so the money you have invested in internet, it will grow and it will produce profits. So you need people that are interested in this. For instance, people who are already billionaires, or people who don't need money because they are busy in life, or they have a job, or they are a wife of a rich man, or whatever. Those people, or maybe they are too young. They are not thinking about this. They are studying. They are not ready. They are not thinking about this. All those people don't. You don't need them. You don't need to talk to them, because it will be a hard work just to speak to them about RPM, or other things. You don't want them, but you want people who are already interested in this, who are looking for ways to earn money online, on the internet, not investing in real estate or other things, really on internet. And if you get RPM, you have your lead magnet. This saves you the work to create your own universe about this. You uh, a book about how to earn money online, other things. You have RPM. So that's, I think, is a good answer for this question. So how RPM works? In fact, you don't need to understand how it works, what it is, because you will see it when you buy it for yourself, and to be able to use it in your own business. Because don't think for 1 second that you will have only RPM and you will earn your money online only with RPM. This is the message of RPM, but don't believe it. And it's not this, it's just um, one step. So, in fact, you get RPM, and you will see that there are many more ways to earn money online. And you want to present those ways to your audience that you will have built by using RPM. That's how it should be used and what it is for yourself. RPM is a way to attract people into your universe, into your contact network. So now you have understood this. So RPM, of course, you have it. You are using it. You are promoting it because you can make money with RPM. But also, you get leads. You get people who are interested in earning money online. You get them into your contact networks by showing them RPM. If they get interested in RPM, they enter into your contact network. And so when I say contact network, I want to be clear also. Um, what is it? It is just a contact list that you will build over time. When you do affiliate marketing, so this is a way of earning money online. You build your email list, your contact list. It can be email, phone number, WhatsApp, uh, many things, Facebook friends. So this is your contact network. You build it. That's all you do every day. and to build it, you need to attract new people, and for those who are already in your contact, you need to present them, offer them solution to their various problems. Because when those people they are interested in earning money online, they are exactly like you. So RPM is one solution for, like I said, for to attract new people. This is the problem: is how to attract new people into your contact list. So RPM is one solution for this because it provides you with a lead magnet, with something to talk about in order to get people into your contact list. So this is a solution to this problem. So you can present it to people. But there are also other problems. For instance, my problem is how to build a contact list. What is the tool? I need something to hold all those people information and to be able to contact them. For instance, to send them an email. So this is a problem, and the solution for this problem is not RPM. It is, for instance, Builderall, because Builderall is a tool to have to be able to create and build a contact list and to send email to this contact list. But also Builderall is a solution for the problem of how to create web pages, a website, a blog, and so that I can write articles about RPM, about my other solution, my other products. To create a blog, to create a link tree, for instance. If I want on Instagram, I want a link which goes to a page where I present all my offers. How to create this page? So the solution could be a tool that does only this, only a page with buttons, or Builderall can create a web page with buttons. So Builderall is a solution for several problems that people who want to earn money online have. And like this, there are other problems and other solutions that are products, that are paid products, and that you can get an affiliate commission on. So you see, RPM is a good lead magnet because it's a solution to how to attract people who are interested in making money online. RPM, get it for yourself so you have it in your toolbox, but it's not on its own. It doesn't solve all the problems. I would not list all the problems and solutions that are in this business of making money online, but I can tell you that there are many problems and many solutions. For each problem, there are several solutions. It's up to you to pick one. For instance, how to get people into your contact list. There is not only RPM as a solution. RPM is just one possible solution to this problem. But this problem can use several solutions so that this problem is non-existent after. What I mean is that you have this problem is how to get new people into your contact list, into your contact network. If you use RPM, okay, this is one solution. But if you use another solution as well, then you will get more people into your contact list. So the problem of how to get people into your contact list, it will be resolved and more resolved, so it doesn't exist anymore because you have so many tools. For instance, to create a blog talking about how to make money online will attract people to this blog, and this blog will also send them to your contact list. So having a blog is also an answer, a solution to this problem. And so the more you work in this, the more the less this problem, this first problem, how to get people in your contact list, this will not exist anymore because you will have so many ways to solve it, and you will overkill this problem by doing it. This will not be a problem for you anymore. But for new people starting this business, this is the number one problem. And it is your problem if you are just starting, is how to get people into my contact list so I can present them solution and they will buy the solution and I will get money. Okay, how to get those people? I don't know anybody who is interested in making money online. My family is not interested because they are busy with their life. They don't want, they are not interested in making money online. Only me. So how do I get people? This is the number one problem when you start it. When you start, first you don't know anything, but then the first problem you realize is that you know no one. or all the people you know, they are already doing it, so they don't need your they don't need you, so they will not enter into your contact list because they are already advanced. They don't need you. Okay, so that's the number one problem. So focus on this when you are talking, when you are looking for people interested in making money online. Focus always on the beginners, because beginners, they are always new ones. And of course, when you will talk about solutions, there are solutions for advanced people. For instance, I will give you an example. It's there is a problem after a while. It's how to automate, to use automation for some task that at first you can do yourself, but after a while it's very boring, and the amount is too much. It takes a lot of time because you have so many. So how to automate those tasks, but not by hiring people, by using tools to automate. So this problem, automation, and the solution, they are not interesting to beginners. So you will not talk about this in order to attract beginners, but you can talk about it and attract advanced people, a little bit more advanced people who have not yet automated their task, but they start to feel this problem. You know. So anyway, that's the end of the video. I just wanted to tell you that RPM, how it works, is not really important. You will learn it by exploring it and buying it for yourself. But what is the use of RPM in your arsenal, in your toolbox? It's a good, very good lead magnet which will attract beginners. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.